Wait.
What did I have on?
You had...
What did I have on?
I'll show it on the video.
No.
Who is he to you? I'm sorry.
Like my boyfriend.
Oh, when we see your truck come in, who's gonna get out of it?
What truck?
Are you dumb?
During traffic control for a vehicle crash, officers noticed a dark-colored pickup truck behaving suspiciously. When they approached the driver, they suspected he was impaired and asked him to pull to the side. Instead, the driver went around the vehicle in front of him and fled the scene. What happened next will have you shaking your head.
Come on. Yep. U-turn. Gotta U-turn. The road's blocked. Do a U-turn. You can't go in there. It's private.
No, stop that.
Oh, all right. Hey, stop. Stop. Stop.
Is there another way to get?
Go.
I don't know how to get. Stop your truck.
Go get him.
Good, well, I'll contact them.
Dispatch received.
You confirm what charges you have?
Yeah. Don't hold me to it, but I think that guy right there is staying in room 123.
That's the second time I heard that.
Say he went through there. Yeah, he ran through there. Yeah, the truck ran straight on through there.
The guy did?
Yeah.
I was trying to get a hold of you.
No, he's in here.
No, that's my room. That's my room.
It's your room?
Yeah, that's my room. Yeah, that's my room. She stayed
Good,
there.
we're close to Volusia. We got them on the fire channel, and someone's gonna call us.
Are they usually locked? Are you the manager?
Yeah.
Are you the manager?
Yeah.
All right. I need to talk to you in a minute.
Is it black or white male?
Black male.
Maybe in back.
I don't know. Do you know who's in your room? Do these cameras work?
Yeah.
Can you pull up that camera?
Yeah, which room?
Yeah, that one.
Which way did he go? He ran underneath this overpass? Did he run out? Did he run to a room?
I don't know. He just ran through there. There's no room.
So he just run straight out?
I guess. Yeah, that's
And this is your room?
Yeah, that's
There's
my
nobody else staying there with you?
No.
Just you? Okay.
Is this your room?
That's my room.
Do you mind if I look in it?
You cool with that? Just to make sure no one's in there or shouldn't be in there?
Because I had two people say you ran in that room.
No. I need my key.
Here, just watch the door on that.
Wait. Good.
My key.
Oh, no.
Who else is in there? Okay.
See that camera right there? I'm going to look at that camera. I'm going to look at the dash cameras of everybody that was there at that scene. Why are you bleeding on your hand?
That's old.
Just go. Oh, really?
That's old.
I bet that's not going to be your phone in the truck either, huh? When I look at it. Come here. It's weird how two people told me you ran in here, and then you're hiding under the covers in the bed.
I'm not high.
Before you start talking, why are you bleeding on your hand?
That's old. What you mean? Like, that's old.
All right, listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything stated used in the court of law, you have the right to have
You got the right to man sign anything?
Where you got shorts in here or what?
I mean, you got.
Hey, where's his shorts, man?
I mean, you got you.
I got a pair of shorts right here. I'll tell you what to do. Sit down.
I'm not touching them. So
Where shorts at?
you can put these on. There's probably piss all over them, so.
Relax.
Are these gonna be dirty like urine?
They look like there's water on the floor, but I can't confirm it's urine or not, so. It's the only pants I see.
That's crazy.
Where? Where are the other ones?
No, they were up under the bathroom.
Yeah, that's where I got those. So.
Just asking us to stay with like 7 pounds was great.
Two's fine.
Alright, so what do you got to tell me?
Long story short, like I just said,
No bullshit.
there's no bullshit. Like I said, you just came and got me under my covers.
That's not how it works. Just because you strip your clothes, sweating like a dog, hiding underneath the covers doesn't mean it wasn't you.
The camera will show that it wasn't me.
Perfect.
Clearly.
Perfect. You hang out with him while I look at the camera?
Whose truck is that?
I'm not sure. I've been here.
You been doing something?
Yeah, I've been here. Like,
What's your name?
Andre Johnson.
Andre, come here.
Yes, sir.
They're pulling it up, if you will. All right, listen.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm not playing around. This isn't a joke. All right, he almost struck one of our deputies.
And that's what he just said. I understand. I mean, I promise. I've been in the room, and like I said, he came back from the store because he was going to get a drink, and that's all I know. He knocked on the door, and that was it. I didn't know that he
So just listen.
almost.
I'm going to let you know where you're at on this scale.
Yes, sir.
All right, so you can fully appreciate the gravity of the situation.
Of course I am.
All right.
Because I don't want to get in trouble. Because I'm here on a free voucher.
You told us that you were the only one in that room and nobody else is in there. Okay? If you willfully hid him from me, that would be accessory after the fact of his crimes, which would be aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, fleeing and eluding ×2, reckless driving, failure to comply, and resisting arrest.
Please, Mr. Gaddy,
I'm letting you know.
Yes, sir, but Mr. Gaddy,
So
I
don't
promise I won't do
fucking
that.
play with me on this.
I wouldn't play with you, Mr. Gaddy. Please, I can't afford this. I'm here on a free voucher from the hurricane. I'm damn near homeless. I promise I wouldn't do that to you.
So who is he?
Jaquan Laster, I just told you.
Who is he to you? I'm sorry.
Like my boyfriend.
Okay.
Like my
How
friend.
long have you guys been together?
Like almost a year.
All right.
Oh man, they took my ran the room. I've been in the room. People came and got me naked, put cuffs on me.
Put him on the stairs. It's on the stairs.
The chair.
Man, came and got me butt naked. That's on camera. Butt naked, butt moving naked.
But
Who let him have this truck?
I don't know. That's why I said when he left, he was walking. I promise you that when he left, he was walking. He was supposed to walk to that store. I never knew nothing about this truck. I promise.
Okay. And
I won't lie to you, Mr.
When
Gaddy.
did he get back?
Like I just said 15 minutes ago, like I just told him, he was supposed to be going to get us a drink, and that was it.
Okay.
And I'm sorry that he did that, but I promise I didn't have nothing to do with it. You know, I wasn't with him. I stayed here.
Okay.
So when we pull up the cameras, what are they going to show?
Nobody going, no activity in that room.
No activity. So when we see your truck come in, who's going to get out of it?
What truck?
Oh, that's crazy.
My partner, who saw you?
What truck?
Are you dumb?
That's what he said.
Yeah,
I
pulled right up
on
to
you
him.
too.
And I'm sorry,
So
Mr.
what
Gaddy.
happened when he got back?
He just said that he went to the store and that he said that the police tried to stop him for the weed and the drink. That was it. That's all that he told me. Then that's when I came outside and I was smoking a cigarette. And that's when I did lie to you guys and say that I was in the room by myself because I didn't know that he did all that.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, Mr. Gaddy. I won't lie to you.
Where you live at originally?
Originally in Daytona. And that's why I let you guys
Why are you
in.
on a voucher here then?
Because this was the closest motel that
Where you get hit by a hurricane or something?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My
I
apartment
didn't know if
got
you're from
destroyed.
Tampa or something.
No, Daytona.
Okay. All right. And you've known him for how long?
Like almost a year now.
Okay.
I wouldn't lie to you, Mr. Gaddy. I promise.
Well, you lied to me once.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And I promise it won't happen tomorrow. I promise, Mr. Gaddy. I can't afford it.
I understand people make dumb decisions.
Definitely.
All right.
And I'm sorry.
I'll review everything and I'll let you know what your status is. Okay. All right. I appreciate your honesty.
Of course.
You look awfully like the driver that fled from us and almost struck 4 deputies.
I can't look like.
You got a lot of charges on you, bro. And you want to continue to lie to us and play
I
dumb?
mean, I can't. I ain't dead, and that's what I mean. Like, what you want me
That's
to
fine.
say?
You want to keep that?
Only thing I can
story
say
is fine.
is,
Listen, you're entitled to your story. You rock with it, man.
You'll have your day in court.
But when the
bro.
video pulls up,
Here in Wellington and
it's going to be hard to deny that it wasn't you.
They got perfect surveillance cameras here. We have 2 eyewitnesses that are deputies that put eyes on you at the scene.
Right.
You can continue to play dumb. It's fine. But you'll go to court. You'll have your day in court, and then we'll go from there.
I mean, that's all we can say at this point.
Exactly.
sir. That's all, sir.
You got a multitude of charges over now.
I mean, I'm confident I get through.
That's good. You understand you could have got shot, right? That's
You
that's
keep
the
saying
course
I
you
could have got shot, like, sir.
Because it's you. I mean, we're not stupid, bro. It's fine.
It is him.
Got you all on camera.
That's wild, bro. So you know what charges you're looking at? Flee to elude ×2, reckless driving, failure to comply with a lawful order, resisting arrest, tampering, all kinds of stuff. Okay. Whose truck is it? Because we're gonna seize it.
Sir, I don't even know what you're talking about.
That's crazy.
I mean, if that's what's going on,
Dude, you act like we didn't have a conversation at the driver's window.
Sir, I'm gonna tell you like
I looked at you dead in the eyes.
Sir, I'm gonna tell you like I just told.
Yeah.
him.
Let's hear it.
I don't have anything to say. If that's what y'all say what's going on, then I'll take that up with the courts. But
you know what would have happened?
Can you please just, cause you feel me like this is a serious situation.
It is serious.
And y'all came and got me from out my sleep.
No, I didn't.
You did come get me.
No, you weren't.
So where was I when you came in?
You were in a bed hiding from me under the covers.
Hiding.
Yeah.
I
looked at you in the eyes and had a conversation with you 1 foot away.
What did I have on? What did I have on?
I'll show it on the video.
No. Tell me what I had on. I had on nothing. Butt looking naked. I had on butt. I ain't have on nothing. Y'all put me on clothes. From my point of view. Okay, if that's what you say you saw, okay, there's nothing else to talk about then.
I'm not
If you
talking.
take me in, I'll take something to put. But I know the truth.
Oh, you're going. It's not like
you came and got me naked.
You had a conversation.
You wasn't even there, and you just like.
I know what happened. We have radios.
You ditched all your clothes in the bathroom.
Yeah.
But you left your ID right next to your clothes.
What you mean?
That's crazy. That's not smart.
See a little smirk on his face?
Why?
You left your ID right next to your clothes.
But listen, why can't I leave my ID in the bathroom?
Because you're stupid, bro. You're stupid.
It's what's weird.
What's your name?
It's on my ID, ain't it?
This is you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Alright, it's on my ID.
Right next to your clothes, and then your shoes are right there.
Okay, and
you supposed to be here?
Y'all wanna hear the truth?
You PO here?
Tell the truth. Y'all got the body cams on?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So this is the truth, man. I'm gonna tell the truth. I am violating from Flagler County for being out but I don't know what y'all talking about on everything else.
Okay, we have cameras all over.
Cause y'all got me out my bed.
Yeah, because you went in your bed to hide. We're not stupid.
I was naked. Y'all had to put me on clothes. I ain't really did nothing, so I mean a violation.
Fleeing elude ×2.
I know one thing for sure. I ain't worried about it. Get what? I know.
Leaving the scene of the crash.
Don't want
nobody sees.
Yeah.
No, listen. The only thing I know is, in the end,
you're dumb.
Y'all gonna see. Well, y'all ain't gonna see that.
It's not even your vehicle.
I ain't did.
You steal it?
I ain't did. Now you keep saying you. Why you keep saying you?
Because it's you.
Why you can't ask me whose vehicle or something like that or do like?
Because you're playing dumb with us, bro. We're asking you simple questions. You're like
dumb. I'm just ready to go. Y'all got me sitting out here.
Yeah, well, we have to do our investigation. We have to conduct everything that we need to do. Yeah, we saw you.
Can I just sit in peace till I go in? Cause it's a serious situation, and you keep you keep trying to laugh and make jokes, and I don't want to make jokes right now, sir.
Because you're making.
I'm being respectful to you, and you disrespectful. You disrespecting me.
You're not making.
If that's what he say, he saw them just take me in, sir. That's it.
You gotta conduct our investigation.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So while they doing that, can you please just let me be? I really don't have nothing to say. You know, I don't have nothing to say. You feel me? So
they told us you're violating your probation. What more do you have to say?
It's nothing more than that.
No.
What else is there to say?
Be a man in the midst of what you did. It's fine.
That's crazy. Hop on up, buddy.
And he's on probation too.
Yeah, you're violating your probation. You got no bond.
Yes, this is Jason.
Okay.
And the sheriff just came to my house looking for my brother Joey, saying it was something about a truck, his truck.
All right, so I'll run you through the whole story of what happened. So we had a car accident the truck wasn't involved, and we were directing traffic in our county, and that truck was occupied by a male, Kawan Laster. He's a black male, and he had an open container of alcohol, and he was acting super disorderly in traffic and everything, and then he almost struck two of our deputies by driving recklessly. So Florida Highway Patrol and us, we tried to catch up to him, and he failed to stop, and then we saw the vehicle pull into the Motel 8 in Ormond Beach, The male jumped out of the car and he went into a hotel room and crashed the car. Ormond Beach made contact with your brother, the owner of the truck. Apparently, Joseph said that about 4 days ago, he lent this male the truck in exchange for something else.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was calling to tell you, that he wasn't in possession of the truck.
Yeah,
for the last 3 days.
Yeah, so apparently there was some sort of verbal agreement between our suspect and your brother, where he allowed this male to have the truck and possess the truck in exchange for something else. Unknown what that is, but that's what we were informed from your brother.
Okay. So he's not in trouble?
Your brother's not in trouble at all.
Oh, okay, because I thought they were looking for him.
Oh, no, we're not. The only reason we sent that as more of a precaution, just to verify and make sure that it's not stolen, relatively. Just because.
That was his truck, but it was stolen or something from that guy. Never brought it back. Something like that.
Well, according to your brother,
that's what I heard.
According to your brother, he lent him the truck. So we haven't heard anything from your brother about wanting to report it stolen.
I think he tried to report it stolen, and they said they wouldn't. It's a civil matter or something.
Well, yeah. If he lent him the truck and they had a verbal agreement, to our guy's knowledge, he still has permission to have the truck.
Right.
So that's going to be kind of up to them on how they want to approach that.
The driver was ultimately charged with operating a motor vehicle without a driver's license, failure to comply with law enforcement, fleeing to elude, reckless driving, resisting an officer without violence, tampering with physical evidence, and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. As for the boyfriend, he admitted to lying to officers during the investigation. Do you think he should have been arrested as well? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.